Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I want to go out. So I took this very scenic roadway, and there is a reservoir and beautiful trees, beautiful greens. After the rain, these couple of days, springtime, the flowers start to blossom, and green grass, blue sky, with very dramatic cloud. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful scene. So I came to Pleasanton, and I just want to go to Tri-Valley area. My aim was to visit the downtown area and visit the city center, civic center, and library, and this kind of public facilities. So this one in front of me is Pleasanton Public Library, and with some small structures, and I feel it's very well designed and very interesting. And the library is, how do I say, is very well used. Oh, look at these two young children reading book. Maybe this is a sister reading to the younger brother. Anyway, it's just so cute. This area has a very good vibe, and I checked online that this area, Tri-Valley area in San Francisco in the East Bay, they are more affordable in terms of housing, and very good climate. And there are wines. The weather is good for winery, Mediterranean climate, and beautiful natural scene, and beautiful mountains, rivers. Is very good. So this is the inside of Pleasanton Library, and this is I think I arrived around 4 o'clock, before 5 o'clock, 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening, and this seems the most used time of the library. A lot of young students there. There are they look like middle school, mostly looks like high school students, and there is a teenagers teen zone. So if you go inside that teen zone, you can feel the energy in it, and it feels really good, very positive. And in the children's section, a lot of parents with children looking for book, searching for book, reading, and the children's section is quite vibrant, dynamic. It is not a quiet reading area, and very fun. So recently I am particularly interested in ancient histories, Mesopotamia, and the Chinese. It's particularly these two I am very interested in. So I actually listen to audiobooks and look for books. I want to tell the story, and as I listen to them, I found, gosh, there is so much debate and discoveries, and people are not agreeing on when the dynasties. So I will hold on until I learn a little bit more about it and tell those stories. So here are the children's books. This one is Egyptian, Egyptian history, and the ancient civilization. And the book collection is quite comprehensive, and I just I always enjoy to go to library. Sometimes borrow a book. It's actually the best thing is not to borrow any book. Is this only me or also you? Every time when I borrow a book, very seldom I actually read it. If I go to the library and sit there and read it, even just 10 minutes, 20 minutes, a half an hour, I can read book. But when the book is in my home, in my hand, I seldom read it. I feel so bad. So here are some beautiful books. These are the books, and the Tri-Valley area. I found the library is something like 1960s, 70s kind of a structure with some wood and relatively bright and spacious. And this library does not have a lot of sections. And there is, I think there are some small reading room, but mostly it's everyone together sharing a big room. There are several big sections, and that is it. And this library is give me the impression is very dynamic, with students coming here. And after that library, I went to downtown a little bit. I went to the Civic Center a little bit. And then I came to Liverpool, my Livermore Library. And this is a Livermore Library. And it feels a little bit bigger than the Pleasanton Library. And how do I say? Maybe because this is evening time. And I arrived there is around 7, 8 o'clock. Yes, 7 o'clock something. Students already went back home, and young children went back home also. So it's very quiet and feels very spacious. And it feels a little bit newer. And there is an art exhibition. And in 2 days, there will be actually an artist meet-up reception for the exhibition. It is a little bit too far for me to drive there only for the library. So I am impressed by it, and that's it. You can feel that the city really put a lot of attention, put a lot of care into the library, and there are not so. Maybe this is the hour that adults coming here, not so many movement. So there is not, or maybe this is the librarian finish work. If I go to my local library, I will see a lot of time that people stacking the book, reshelf the book. But this is the time there's not that much reshelving things. And anyway, it just a very calm, quiet, spacious library. And another thing, this library have a lamp. you can sit there and look at, read a book through the lamp. So still this is the exhibition area, and some of these artworks are quite very unique and quite inspiring. And yeah, look at this color. Love them. Yeah. Sometimes I feel that go to this kind of small local artwork exhibition is more touching, close to your heart. I don't know. You go to modern art museum, you go to big art museum. It's just very big, but a little bit intimidating. And this, you can feel this is your neighbor. This is the person sitting, living next door, living 3 streets away. It's a very bonding and community feeling. So this library have a lamp. Are we seeing the lamp? The beautiful design, don't you think so? This design look very, look at the tabletop and the structure with some stone on it, with some stone, a kind of a stone decoration. The column is by stone decoration, make it very very local, very close, very close to your heart, very neighborly, and very humble. Yeah. Look at the light. Oh, I love this table. This reminds me of the 1920s, 1930s, the American art deco style, and simple design, geometric shape, rigid and sharp shape, functional and sleek and neutral. It's not too warm, too cozy like the cottage style. It's not too cold, like too distanced, like the postmodern. It's just very functional with a dash, with a touch of elegance. I love it, and the table and the sofa chair are very comfortable, quite well designed to make people sitting there comfortable. At least for my height, I feel comfortable. You can sit there, your feet comfortably put on your leg put comfortably sitting there, not too long, not too short. You can put your back on the. You can lie or rely. You can lie your back on the chair and to support you. You get the idea, right? It's ergonomically designed, very comfortable. And here is the children's section actually. And there is only one thing I feel, that the table is a little bit too sharp edge. The children's section should be more soft and rounded. And I shamelessly did an outfit of the day, and because this is going to a different city, so I dress up a little bit. You know, at home I wear pyjama and yeah, I cannot even be seen. So this one, I dress up a little bit to wear something comfortable. Look at my hair, so isn't it a good cut, right? Yeah, the hair stylist is doing a great job. Okay, so I end up going to Costco because I heard Livermore Costco is one of the biggest, and 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 that's it. That's end my trip to Livermore. Of course, I have seen some downtown scenes, but this one is mostly for this. Okay, for the library tour, the everyday life, ordinary life tour. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goo, goo, bye, bye.